It's the Adventure Force Super Drum Nerf gun. What is going on, everybody? You know, after you work all day long, it's very, very difficult. Be like, hey, how's it going? Ah! I'm tired. But anyways, this is gonna be a fun one. Daxton was lucky enough to get a brand new, what is it called over there?
Nerf gun.
I know it's a Nerf gun, but it's the Adventure Force Super Drum Nerf gun. So we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna start by unwrapping it, okay? Here we go. Is it battery operated?
No.
So this thing comes with 2 packages of dart range test winner grade Nerf bullets. So now we gotta load this sucker up to give her a go. Okay, so the Mega Blaster Awesome Force looks like it requires a heat shield here. So without proper instructions,
We don't need any.
yeah, we should have had instructions, but yeah. So we're just gonna snap this in. Looks like this is how it goes. And then the other one goes in like this right here. I don't know
Okay, that's
if anyone watching this even cares,
That's
but
gonna put this on.
it's fun, it's good, it's good. So now we've got the actual gun ready to rock. So Daxton, because it's actually his, I'd like to be the first one to shoot it, but he's got to be the first one. Okay, so get ready. Here's test number 1 with the
Let's keep for the target.
Adventure Force Super Drum Nerf gun. Okay, now the targets are ready to rock. You can see them hanging here from the dining room light. Good place to start. So let's get some of this garbage out of the way, guys. That way we can do proper firearms tests in the living room / kitchen. Here we go, 5-year-old test. You like it?
Yeah.
Whoa, good shot. Trying to rock this thing, woohoo! Here we go. Oh, right in the middle, boom. Oh, yeah, take that, son. Oh, knock this down, let's see if we can hit the camera. Oh, slow motion test. It's better. Okay, Dax. Remember,
Oh,
look,
one second,
look
one
right.
second.
Hey, Dax. Oh, here we go. Okay, cool. There you go. Hey, just 1 second. Go get me glasses too, man. Yeah. Okay. So if you're gonna rate this gun from out of 10, like 10 being like wicked awesome, 1 being like, what do you rate it? 10? Yeah, I know it's a 10 for sure. And who do you have to thank for this gun?
Hunter and Madden.
Hunter and Madden. Know you're watching. Thanks so much for the opportunity to try this gun out. Daxton can now chase his brother around firing bullets all the time, non-stop. Okay, we hope that you enjoyed this little review of the Nerf gun 5000. No, it's called the Nerf gun. Nerf gun Super Drum.
And maybe the next video would be about wait. Yeah, maybe.
I don't know, man. We can do whatever we want. We're the creators.
Slow mo and subscribe.
Yeah, right on, man. Subscribe. See you later.
Bye.
Thanks so much.
and,
What?
And hit the like button.
Hit the like button. That'd be cool too.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Subscribe. Bye.
So, bye-bye.